guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cleopatra, back at it again with another video. And for this week's video, I decided that I'd film another back to school video. And I decided that I'd show you guys how to make 3 easy back to school lunches, because sometimes you can be on a time crunch or you can be really lazy and you probably won't have enough time to make a proper lunch. But these are 3 really easy lunches that are healthy but are super quick and don't take very much effort to make. So I hope you guys are just as excited, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for our first lunch, all we're going to need is some shredded ham, red onions, cheese, cucumbers, and baby tomatoes or cocktail tomatoes, and lettuce. You're also going to need a tortilla or a tortilla wrap and some mayo. And this lunch is so easy to make. All you're going to need to do is just place your tortilla wrap on a cutting board or on a plate, and you're just going to apply some mayo on the bottom. You can literally apply any type of spread that you want on your wrap. And then after you're done that, you're going to apply you're going to put down some of your lettuce, then cheese, ham, and then your cucumbers and tomatoes. Honestly, it doesn't really matter what order it goes in. And then you can add your onions, but make sure not to add too many ingredients inside or you won't be able to close up your wrap properly. It's very important for you to have some type of spread on your wrap because that's going to act as your glue. So basically, to close your wrap, you're going to fold the bottom up. And then since there are 2 sides, you can either pick the left side or right side. But I took the left side and then folded it up. And then I took the right side and then put it on top of the left side of the wrap. And then I also applied mayo under the left side, if that makes any sense. It probably doesn't make sense while I'm explaining it, but if you just watch what my hands are doing, it'll make a lot more sense. Wraps are perfect lunch ideas because they're very versatile. You can honestly put whatever you want in a wrap. One day you could put ham, the next you could put cheese, the next you could put Nutella and bananas. Literally, the choice is yours. And then after I finished making my wrap, I just paired this lunch with a granola bar and a juice box.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No. Look at the top of his head.
Okay, so to make this next lunch or ham sandwich, you're going to need some bread. And yes, if you were wondering, this bread is homemade. I made it. You're also going to need some cheese, some ham and lettuce, as well as some red onions and tomato slices. Okay, so making a sandwich is pretty self-explanatory, and I don't think I've ever met anyone who does know how to make a sandwich. But for those of you who don't, first we're going to start off with putting some mayo in your sandwich. You can honestly put whatever you want, but I just chose to put some mayo on the bottom. Next, I put my lettuce, then my ham, and then I added my red onions, and then tomato, and then put some cheese on top of that. And then you could add whatever condiments or any extra sauces you want. I just put some ketchup and some mustard, and that is all it takes. And then I paired this lunch with some crackers and yet again another juice box. Okay, so for our last lunch, we have a spaghetti salad. So you're obviously going to need some cooked spaghetti, some ham, tomatoes, cheese, and red onions. Okay, so to make this spaghetti salad, you're first going to start off by putting some water on your stove, and then you're going to let it boil. And once your water starts boiling, you're just going to pour in your spaghetti. You can honestly put as much spaghetti or as little spaghetti as you want. And then after 6 or 10 minutes or so, you're going to take your spaghetti out. Remember, all spaghettis have different types of instructions, so they cook differently, so make sure you follow your instructions. But once your spaghetti is cooked, you're just going to drain it and then rinse it out, and then you're going to put it in another bowl, which is what I did here. And then you can honestly mix in whatever type of ingredients you want in your salad. I just put my ham in, then red onions, tomatoes, and cheese. Honestly, the order really doesn't matter. And then I also added some dressing on top because I didn't want the salad to be too dry. You can honestly add whatever type of topping you want. You can put in some basil pesto, you could put in mayo, ranch, whatever your heart desires, and then you're going to mix it together, and then you're going to serve it. So that is it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun making this video because it obviously dealt with food, and I love food so much. But if you guys recreate any of these lunches, don't forget to send me pictures on Instagram. I will have my Instagram linked down below or on my end card at the end of the video. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment of anything you enjoyed in today's video or any future videos you guys would like to see. And also don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below and the bell beside it for post notifications. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Stay up, oh.